What's up everyone, and welcome back. I thought it's about time I got my butt into gear and give this Larch Forest its first pruning of the year. I really haven't had time over the last couple of weeks, as you can tell by what's been going on with the videos. So I'm not dead, I'm alive. We just need to get this back just to bring it in, to put some basic shape back into the tree. I first styled this a couple of months ago, which I put a video on when I put the false gins in and a bit wire on just to bend the branches down. I'll put the video up there. Is it up there? Up there on one of the corners. I'll put the link to the video on that up there. So what I'll do is I'll get some eyes on and we'll come in and have a look to see where we're going. So here's the false gins I put in. We've had a couple of casualties on the branches, which I'm really not bothered about, because by the time it's ginned it'll follow suit with the rest of the trees. This side is a lot further on than this side, but over the next coming years it should be pretty much equal. I hope, fingers crossed. So I'm going to start and prune this side, then we'll work on this side over here. When I'm pruning, I'm looking for a bud and just cutting back to the bud. I'm trying to cut in between the needles, you see, so I don't really want to cut the needles or leaves, whatever you want to call them, because they'll just brown off and the tree will look horrible. We've got some nice inner branches growing, which I'm going to leave. I'm going to start to thicken the pads up. So if you look at the branch, we'll have a bud coming out there, but that's going to be too long, and we've got two buds back here. I want to try and cut in between the needles and just take the tip off. Then we'll grow each way, then we can come back to it later on. Also, with it being that soft, I could just get to where the bud is, what I want, and just nip it out. Take that off altogether because it's grown straight up. I'm going to nip that to that back bud in there so it can grow that way. Take that off. For the needles that's going down, I'm just going to pluck them out. I'm not going to cut them. I'll just pluck them out so we can get a nice flat bottom. I've started halfway up the tree here, like. So I'll bring the camera back out. I'm going to start on the right hand side. Now we'll just work our way up. I want to start with this first tree. I've already played about with that pad. Like I say, we can just pull the tips off to the bud we want. We've got a few on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on there. But I want to come in from that first branch. That is twig, so I will have to cut that one. And like I say, just pluck anything growing down. This is one of them long branches I was saying on the inside. I'm just going to tuck it over the top there, let it grow that way. No, I'm not. Ta-da. You can cut your needles, but once they're brown off, they look horrible. So I'm starting to come in as I go up the tree so we can get the conical shape of the tree. What I'll do is I'll just speed this bit up while I'm working up this side. So this one here, we've had a casualty here. Like I says, I'll just leave it on. We've got that back one anyway to fill into there. There's really not much pruning I can do on this back tray because there's not that much on it. I'll give it a little haircut. Cutting through wire and everything. Mick will go off it. I think that's pretty much it for that tree. Okay, I'm pretty much at where I want to be with this right hand side of the tree. There's 4 trees being done. I've got the 3 on the left to do. Like I says, I'd only got restyled and repotted. Was it restyled at the beginning of the year? So it's a work in progress. I first bought this tree, Larch Forest, 3 years ago, down at Heathrow. I'll see if I've got a picture, I'll put it up on the screen what it used to look like before I started playing with it. Most people might say it looked better. until I started playing with it, but never mind. I haven't got a turntable big enough, so sorry for the noise. But we're round to here. Now it's just the on-side to do. Same principle as what we've done here. Just work up, try and get some shape into the conical shape into the trays. Open it up a bit so we can get more light in. Because as you can see, it's a bit apex dominant. It's just taking over, blocking all the light. So we'll speed it up again, and unless anything new crops up, I'll stop it and we'll have a look. Okay, that's it for its first prune. As you can see, it's starting to create pads. I've gone underneath the best I can to flatten them out. Sorry about the noise, but I'll turn it around for you. So we're starting to create something out of it. And back to the front. So that's what's come off it. The canny bits come off it. Like I say, this is just his first prune this year since it got styled. With a bit of luck, I should get another 2 prunes on it. By the way everything's grown, I should get another 2 prunes. I'm quite happy with the way it's starting to turn out. So that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. And I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!